TradingView's bar replay tool is incredibly helpful for beginners, but to use this tool, you usually have to pay between $15 to $30 per month. But what if I told you I could give you access to this tool for free? Stay with me until the end of this video because today, I'll show you how to get this tool at no cost. So, without wasting any time, let's start this video. First of all, you need to head over to Google and search for XNest. Alternatively, you can simply use the direct link provided in the description of this video. Once you open the page, you'll see a screen like this. If you already have an XNest account, just log in, and if not, create a new account. Now, you'll be taken to a page like this. Simply click here to open the XNest terminal. A demo account will be automatically opened for you, but you can also open a live account with XNest to easily trade in the Forex market. Here, just keep the chart open and remove everything else. You can turn news events on or off from here. I prefer to keep them off. You can now backtest on any pair you like. For example, let's test this out by selecting bar replay from here. And finally, we can backtest our strategy for free. I've received many comments asking about the best Forex broker, and I can say XNest is one of the best. You can trade here without any worries. I hope this video has been really helpful for you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video.